What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't done one of these in a really long time, but I wanted to give you guys a little Friday beat. If you guys don't know what beat is, it means getting your makeup done. I know I have a lot of guy followers over here, but anyway, you guys, I already have foundation on. Typically what I would do is moisturize my face. I would put a little primer on my face just to kind of make the makeup last. Then I would go in and do foundation, but I haven't done my contouring or anything like that, my brows, my eye makeup and everything. So you guys are going to see all of that. And of course, this is probably going to be sped up. So I will give you guys my little quick step-by-step. This is my everyday look. I have neutral colors that I wear during the week. And then on the weekend, sometimes I go a little bold with some color. So let's go ahead and get into it. If you've ever seen girls who have like creases, makeup creases under their eyes, this is a good powder to put under there. You kind of bake it in a sense, so you just kind of dab it in there so you don't get those creases. And this is by e.l.f. This is Perfect Finish HD powder. So guys, I usually apply or bake my face with matte powder on places that I am really oily, and usually it's my T-zone, here on my cheeks, sometimes on my chin. But this is just to kind of soften it up and bake the makeup that I have on there already. Everyday look, I usually contour my face with powder, but on the weekends when I really want to kind of go all out with my makeup, I use an HD darker concealer, and it gives it just like a deeper look. Tell you guys this, I am a very big fan of quality products, and my go-to, I guess you would call it high-end, is an eyeshadow primer by Urban Decay called Eye Potion. I kid you not, it's probably at this point like $20, and it's probably a little less than half the size of this, but when I tell you guys that it works, it literally lasts 24 hours. So I'm like, okay, you know what? Like, I do my makeup every day, so I feel like I'm gonna run out of it all the time. And I'm like, you know what? It's not that I can't afford it, but I don't see myself spending $20 every few weeks for, you know, for that. And so I ended up trying to figure out what product is out there that I can get where it's not gonna break the bank, and it has the same quality of what it's supposed to do. And so I found that e.l.f. Cosmetics has an eyeshadow primer. It is only $5.99, I believe, and literally it lasts all day, just like Urban Decay. So that's my little dupe for eyeshadow primer. when I have an eyeshadow that isn't too pigmented and it's like either shimmery or it has like that pearl look to it, a little trick that I use, that I do to make it more pigmented and more shimmery is that I put the brush underwater. Not too much, you don't want to submerge it underwater, but you just want it to be wet enough to pick up more of the product. So I'll show you guys what I mean. So if I just use the dry brush here, you can barely see it. It's right there, right? But if I wet the brush, you can see it just slightly more. See, look. See the difference? It just looks a little bit brighter. So we're gonna put that top of the eyelids. Now what I'm gonna do with this is I'm going to line almost like eyeliner on my lash line, because during the week I don't go too dramatic with eyeliner, so I use powder to line the lash line and then I use liquid to kind of make my wings. I'll show you guys what that looks like. There you guys have it, my everyday makeup look. See, sometimes I go a little more shimmer, a little darker eyeshadow, maybe a different color. This spring and summer, maybe I'll go ahead and experiment with different colors. Maybe I'll ask you guys, what colors do you guys want me to experiment with? But other than that, you guys, leave your comments down below. Let me know if you enjoyed this little get ready with me for my day. It is Friday. This is my Friday day look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel, hit like, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified whenever I pop up on your feed. I'll see you guys later.